Oh dear, that was well outside the landing zone. You there, Explorer? Hello? You're alive, yes? Please move your head if you've retained cognitive faculties. Good, good. Your body appears damaged. Can you walk? Well now, looking around and walking, aren't you the lucky one? That was rhetorical. You are the lucky one. Your squad mates did not survive. You'd best arm yourself. Search for a weapon. Good. Now prepare to defend yourself. Beware the cannibal I've marked. You'll want to dispatch it quickly. Now let's tend to your injuries, child. There's a med kit nearby. Outlanders rarely range about on their own. Search and clear the lodge.